of heaven falling down to the earth. I hear the sweet sound of heaven tumbling down to the earth. Bless the Father, bless the Son, hear the sound of the drum as it echoes through the valley. Then it bursts. Let no one or child go away tonight. Please protect us from the pain and the hurt. I feel the sweet, smell the sweet scents of heaven tumbling down to the earth. I hear the sweet sound of children, and they're praising of their Lord. You can have a life without a little shadow.